Hello everyone, hi Pisces, water sign. This is the reading for you, January 2021 monthly reading, and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see your messages for January 2021. So Pisces, water sign. Under the deck, Three of Wands. Okay, let's see your reading. I think in recent past there may be some reconciliation. You may be reconciled with your person in recent past. Six of Cups, and there will be there was a passionate new beginning between both of you, and you think that your person is very caring and giving person, or you may be very caring and giving person. Energy could be vice versa, guys. Take what resonate. Yeah, I think you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other because Six of Cups is there, and you started something new in your life with very passionate energy. You are doing your job very passionately, and you are concentrating on your career in recent past because Queen of Pentacles. And what's going now? I think you are taking your life to next level in relationship. Also, you are getting stability and you overcome something in your life. You are going through something, but you overcome that, the strength. You stand by your power, Pisces. And Ace of Pentacles, definitely financial stability is coming in your way, and in relationship also there is long term stability is coming, Pisces. Yeah, something, I think your life is going to be upgraded. And in near future, the Moon, Page of Cups, and Eight of Wands, definitely there are some secrets hidden in this connection. Your person may be hiding something from you, or you may be hiding something from your person. Definitely there are some disturbances are there between both of you, some misunderstandings that create some disturbances in your life. And then Page of Cups, you may be apologize to your person, or your person may be apologizing you. Definitely Page of Cups, some message. And then Eight of Wands, there is a lot of communication is going to be happen between both of you back and forthly. Yeah, lot of communication, and there is a lot of changes are coming in your life, and those changes are coming very fastly because Eight of Wands is a fast moving energy. And Page of Cups, some communication apology is coming in your way, or you are going to apologize your person if you did something wrong to them. But communication is going to be happen between both of you back and forthly. So what I'm saying here, so but you are very grounded person, and you stand by your power, Pisces. Something is upgrading in your life. So the person you involved excuse me, in your life could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Cancer, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. But you will get long-term commitment in relationship and financial stability in your career. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions. Then we will get more clarity. Pisces, what's going on? First we will see your person current feelings. Empress, Two of Swords, the Moon. Yeah, there are a lot of disturbances between both of you right now. The Moon, yeah, lot of illusions between both of you. Your person is also thinking about that a lot. And the Empress, definitely they are seeing you as a very strong person. You stand by your power, and you are very caring person. And Two of Swords, definitely your person at some crossroads. they don't know which decision they have to make. Two of swords, they are blindfolded right now. Yeah, they are going to be make some decision, but they don't know which decision they have to make. They are in some confusion state because two of swords is here. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Pisces. Nine of Pentacles, Five of Cups, and Ace of Wands. Under the deck, Three of Cups. So what I am seeing here, you person right now concentrating on their self. They're investing their energy on creating financial stability. Yeah, they're working on their self. Definitely they stand by their power. They want financial stability. Right now your person working towards their goals and working hard. Yeah, they're feeling sad for the separation which had happened between both of you. If you are in separation, definitely they are feeling very sad for that. Yeah, Ace of Wands. Yeah, they started something new in their life. They are very, very passionate about that, and they also lot of passion. They are also passionate about you. There is a lot of passion involved between both of you. Ace of Wands. Yeah, they want brand new beginnings with you. And under the deck, Three of Cups. Definitely, if you are in separation, your person also want new beginnings with you, but they don't make any move because they are in some confusion state. But they are thinking, they want to communicate. I think you are going to be communicating your person, what I'm getting here, because Page of Cups, Eight of Wands, then the communication will be so then you both going to be communicate. First one person will initiate the contact. I think it could be you, Pisces, because your person thinking only, not taking any action, because they are working on their self right now. They are investing their energy on their self, what I'm seeing here. So your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. Four of Wands, Eight of Cups. Yeah, they want reunion with you, but they walked away, or you maybe walked away. That's why they are not taking any move right now. Yeah, they want, but not making any efforts, what I'm seeing here right now, because there are no action cards here. They're thinking about, but not taking, but not making any efforts, what I'm seeing. So let's see from this deck also. Under the deck, Three of Wands, definitely waiting game. This could be long distance relationship also, guys. Both live in different cities, countries, or states. Yeah, maybe your person holding back their feelings because there is no equal give and take. You may be holding back your feelings because there is no equal give and take. But what I am seeing here, someone is ready to offer equal give and take in this connection, but someone is not willing to accept their offer. Still they want this connection. Something is happening. Yeah, under the deck, Justice, second chances. For some there will be reconciliation. For some, I think your person may be holding back their feelings, what I'm seeing here. For some there will be reconciliation. For some, I think your person may be ready to move on from you, what I'm seeing. They're willing but not making any action. So yeah, for some there will be reconciliation. So it's up to you to give another chance or not. I think you are ready to offer equal give and take, what I'm getting here, Pisces. So let's see your overall energy for the month, Pisces. Justice, Tower, Two of Cups, Hangman. Yeah, you are thinking about them a lot. You are stuck on them, some transformation. And Two of Cups, this could be soulmate connection. Definitely there is love between both of you. And the Tower, there is some Tower moment is going to be happen in your life. And Justice, yeah, something you cut off someone from your life due to there is no equal give and take, or you want second chance from your person. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate. Your person could be Libra or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Let's see your person overall energy for the month. Yeah, Justice. I think second chances I'm seeing here both got same cards, and Magician and Five of Wands and King of Swords. I think your person may be very honest. They always speaks truth. They are very straightforwarded in nature. And Five of Wands, there is a lot of drama is going between you and your person. And Magician, they're trying to manifest you again back in their life, second chances. What I'm seeing here, lot of second chances. I think you both want same thing but not expressing. You both holding back. You both have some ego problems also, what I'm seeing here, because you both want second chances with each other but not expressing your feelings with each other, what I'm seeing here. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.